Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from the Raiffeisen Bank. First, unlock your phone and open the Raiffeisen Bank app. Make sure you are logged into your account. If not, enter your login details and access your dashboard. Once you are inside the app, look for the section labeled Transfers. This is usually found on the main screen or in the bottom menu. Tap on it to continue. Now you will see an option like transfer money or make a payment. Tap on that option to start the process. Next, you need to choose the recipient. If you have already sent money to this person before, you can simply select them from your saved list. If this is your first time sending money to them, tap on Add New Recipient and enter their details carefully, such as their name and account number. After selecting or adding the recipient, move on to the next step. Enter the amount of money you want to send. Double-check the number to make sure it is correct. Now, review all the details on the screen. Look at the recipient's name, account information, and the amount you entered. This step is important to avoid mistakes. If everything looks correct, tap on Confirm Payment. The app may ask you to enter a PIN, or use fingerprint or face verification for security. Once confirmed, the transfer will be processed and the money will be sent. Thanks for watching.